Come along and see what's inside this month's Senior Stock Box, and wait till the end to see how you can get one too. Well, my stock box was supposed to come yesterday, but I didn't see hide nor hair of it, and I went looking after I got the message that she delivered it. She never rang the doorbell. I complained to the company, and today this was sitting out there with warm cheese and warm meat. Luckily, I don't eat either of these things, and I usually give them away, but today I'm going to give them to the garbage. So let's see what's inside. And look at this. We've got more mashed potatoes, 2 containers of spaghetti made from wheat, so this will be going back into the blessing box. We've got chili with beans. I like that on a baked potato, and I've got some potatoes. Ooh, this is beef stew. Now, I normally don't eat meat, but there isn't a whole lot of meat in this anyway. And I get 2 servings out of this. This says that there is 3 servings in here, but I'm a big girl. Okay, next we have Mission Pride fruit mix. 2 cans. That'll come in handy. It will probably be popsicles, but it'll come in handy. And I am just totally out of canned beans, and it's 91 degrees outside. I didn't want to cook any up today, so I'm real happy. I've got at least a week on those, or 6 days anyway. We've got vegetable soup, we'll pass that on. And I've got an overabundance of peanut butter, so I'll be sharing that at the food bank, at the blessing box. Ooh, Italian style spaghetti sauce. Now, most of the spaghetti sauce I have been getting had cheese in it, so I'm happy to get this without it. We do have 2 cans, as usual. We have 2 cans of peas, sweet peas. That'll come in handy. I can make some salad with peas in it. Oh, we have a 3rd can of the fruit mix. We have a bottle of premium applesauce, a box of toasted oats, two containers of shelf-stable milk. I'll be passing those on. And a box of shredded wheat. This is great. I've got some things to share and some things that I can use. Thank you. To see if you or someone you love is eligible to get a senior stock box, or a commodities box as it's called in most areas, go to fns.usda.gov. I'll leave a link in the description. And check out their income guidelines, their age limits, and see if you're eligible. Thanks for watching.